Hello, my name is Diego Cervantes. I'm 23 years old. I'm a graduate from the Music and Digital Media program at St. Lawrence College, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a little bit of my experience. I think what I like the most about being an international student at St. Lawrence College was, and this might sound a little weird, but that I never felt like an international student. That from the very first day that I arrived, I felt like I was given the same treatment and the same opportunities as everyone else. During the whole time I was there, I never felt there was some kind of different treatment to me just for being international. So I don't know. I think that was pretty good. And it really helped me to just get along with everyone else and just feel accepted by everyone. One of the things that uh, really hit me from the music and digital media program was that whenever I started the program, I kind of had an idea of what were the things they were gonna teach me, and I also kind of had an idea of what were the things I wanted to get out of the program. Um, by the end, it ended up giving me all of that and more. Just to give you a quick example, like whenever I started the program, I knew how to play guitar. My music theory knowledge was really basic, and pretty much my main goal was to learn how to produce my own music. By the end of the program, I end up learning way more music theory to the point that today I would say I see music different than I used to. I end up learning how to play piano, learning how to play drums, and besides learning how to produce my own music, I also learned a lot of different tools that also help me a lot into pushing my project. I end up learning how to use cameras, how to use editing softwares, how to promote myself in social media, what were some of the industry standards. Uh, yeah, it was just a lot of information that I didn't know it was out there, and the program pretty much provided it to me. I think one of the best resources the school offers to students is the fact that depending on which program you are able to go and rent equipment. And for example, in this specific program, you're always able to go and rent microphones, cameras, lights, tripods, as well as pretty much at any point during the day, you can go to any of the computer labs and use a computer with all the programs you need. I think it's just amazing that they have all those resources available to pretty much any student who wants to use them. And if you know how to take advantage of all of those resources, I think you can do a lot of things. Another thing I really enjoyed about the program was that it gave me the opportunity to get to know and get to learn from a lot of people very talented in a lot of areas. And I just think that organic organic way of learning things is just one of the best things this program offers. Um, the teachers are amazing, but just being able to, for example, in my case, whenever I started the program, I had no clue how to use a camera. It was a complete new world to me, and the teacher was pretty good at explaining how to use one. But just being able to speak with people who already have some experience with it and who already knows how to use it for various purposes, it just it just helps you a lot, and it just improves your skills in a way that I think maybe no teacher would do. But yeah, just like that combination from um, uh, you learning from the teacher and you learning from your same classmates is just amazing. And just to conclude with this, I think the biggest takeaway from the program is that not only it gave me the knowledge and the ability take my music project to a whole new level that I never thought I was gonna be able to achieve on my own. But also that it opened my eyes to all the different job opportunities I had with it. Um, when I started the program, again, all I wanted was to learn how to produce music and maybe in the end, if I could, work in a studio. But once I finished the program, I realized that was just one of the very many job opportunities I could have. Um, Again, like I could be working in a studio, I could be doing the recording, I could be doing the mixing, I could be moving the cables, I could be working in a different kind of production, I could be managing some of the lights, I could be managing the camera, I could do video editing, I could be working in making commercials, making music for commercials. Um, those are just some of the many job opportunities I can think right now, but just being able to see all this world of new opportunities open to you thanks to all the knowledge and experience you earned from the program. It's just amazing. It's mind blowing. So yeah, um, just to conclude, I'll say it's an amazing program. I learned way more than I was expecting, and I'm really grateful I had a chance to be a part of it.